Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to make something for the kids. Let's make a summer snack for the kids, okay? And it's going to be made with some pineapples. So I'm going to use the pineapple and I'm going to use some stevia to sweeten it. But if you want to use regular sugar for the kids, because I know the kids want their sugar, you can use the regular sugar, but I'm using stevia because I'm watching my curbs, girl. Okay, so now, and the other thing you're gonna need is some popsicle holders. So I got these. Now I just got these from the dollar store, you guys. So you can go pick those up and make your kids some fruit popsicles. Okay. So these are the only ingredients that we're gonna need. Okay. You see that? All right. So come on, come make a popsicle with me. Okay. So let's move everything to the side and get started. All right. Let's bring our NutriBullet in. All right. Make sure you guys can see it. All right, is that better? Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna get your NutriBullet. We're gonna take the pineapple. We're gonna add the pineapple. Okay, we're gonna add the pineapple, okay? All right. And then you guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 packs of my stevia. Okay? I'm gonna add 2 packs of stevia. If you want to add the regular sugar for the kids, because I know the kids want their sugar, you can add the regular sugar, you guys. But I'm adding the stevia because I'm watching my curves. Okay? All right, so now we're going to put the lid over it. And we're going to blend it. Okay, everything's in there. Make sure your lid is tight, you guys, and we blend. Okay? And we're going to fast forward this so you guys don't have to hear all the noise. Okay? Okay, guys, so look at that. The pineapple is going like whitish, so when it's blended, okay? So make sure you blend it. Maybe count to like 20 while you're blending, and then that should be enough, okay? So now we're gonna pour it into the popsicle holders, okay? Hold on. Okay, you guys, so let's get your popsicle holders, okay? Get them ready. These are the ones I'm using, okay? You can get these from your local Dollar Tree store, okay? You don't have to pay a lot of money. Okay, all right, let's do it. Okay, so now we're going to take the lids off. All right, and then we're just going to pour the pineapple that we just blended. I'm just going to pour it into here, okay? And the pineapple is going to be kind of thick still, which is a good thing because it's going to be just like those fruit bars that you buy in the grocery store. But you can make your own at home. You can use whatever fruit you want to use, you guys. I'm using pineapple because that's just my choice for today. But I will be making other fruit. Ooh, and I want to try the watermelon one. Some strawberries. You can try any fruit that you want. Peach. Ooh. Mixed berries. You can try it all, you guys. I bet the kids would love these. Oops. So that goes on the outside because, okay. And then we're going to do this. Like that. There we go. You see that? So easy. A very simple recipe for your kids, you guys. Gotta have fun with the kids for summer. All right? So make these. Kids will love it. And now you're gonna go put it in the freezer. We're gonna put it in the freezer, you guys. And we're gonna freeze it overnight, okay? And I'll be back when it's frozen. Okay? All right. See you guys when it's frozen. All right. Oh, and I just want to use this time to say, you guys, please check out my playlist. I have all my videos organized into different playlists, okay? So whatever you're looking for, what type of food you're looking for, just check out my playlist. I'm sure it's something that you can find that you will love. And let me know in the comments if you found something you like. And thank you. Okay, let's go let these freeze. And I'll see you guys when it's frozen. Okay? Okay, guys, so it's been overnight. And look at that. I let them stay in the freezer overnight, okay? My pineapple fruit popsicles. And this is what we got, okay? Let me show you. Closer look. See? See the fruit? Okay, so it's been out for like maybe 5 minutes now. But I think I still need to soak it in them. We're gonna do this. Hold on. What I'm gonna do is gonna get some water. So I have a bowl of water here. Okay? And I'm just gonna let them sit in the water so that we can take them out. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll see if we can take them out easily, okay? And I'll be right back. Just 1 minute. Okay, so I let it sit for a couple of minutes, you guys. So now I'm gonna take it out, okay? I'm gonna remove the water. All right. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Let me get my little handy dandy plate. Okay, so let's see, you guys. You see that? Let me show you closer. It's just pineapple. Okay, let's try one. Oh, that one didn't stick. All right, some of them might not stick, you guys, but look at that. Ooh, don't that look good? Mmm, make a nice, delicious popsicle. I gotta tell my daughter. You like it? Look at that. Okay, let's put that in a plate. Let's see whichever. Look at that. We have another one. Pineapple. Fruit pineapple. Pineapple popsicle. Mmm, take a bite. Okay. All right, let me make a plate and I have to showcase them. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and there you have it. Okay, so for some of them, they get kind of jammed in the container and they don't want to come out. So all you have to do is just like soak it in a bowl, just like I just did, you guys. Then flip it upside down, okay? Once you flip it upside down, give it a little pat and it should fall out. And then you just make sure the stick is in there for the kids, okay? And it's very easy treat for your kids. So there you have it. You have pineapple popsicles. There you have it. Pineapple popsicles. Homemade pineapple popsicles. Okay? And there you have it. Enjoy. Enjoy with your kids, you guys. Thank me later. Okay? All right, you guys, have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Let me know what you think about the popsicles. Thanks, you guys. Enjoy with your kids. All right, thanks. Oh, you can make these with your kids too, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I just gave you guys a nice snack so that you can enjoy with your kids, with the little kids running around in the summer times. So go make your popsicles with your kids and have that great family time. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.